friends, today we are going to be doing a very small but fun lipsticks from Colored Raine. They were doing like a crazy sale of their like lip products. I don't know if it's just lip products. I think it was lip products. But they were selling them for like $1.50 a piece. I'm like, what? And I don't think I have any other Colored Raine lipsticks. I might have, no. I have one Dose of Colors lipstick, but I don't think I have any Colored Raine lipstick. So I got just a few of some lipsticks that I thought would be really cute. I've just kind of been having like a real lipstick moment lately. Probably because I just decluttered like 40 lipsticks. Now I'm really quickly filling those spots back up. So I thought it'd be fun to do like a really quick like little try on swatchy thing. So this is what the actual lipsticks look like. I think they look pretty nice. And yeah, I definitely don't have any of these. I couldn't remember, but I didn't think I did. So this one's in the color Empathy. And this is what it looks like. Again, are we shocked? I love nude colors, so we shouldn't be surprised. And I actually really like the bullet shape of this one. I don't know if you can tell without like an up close, but it has a very like angular pointed tip, which I quite like because then it makes it a lot easier to apply. So I'm gonna apply this. I'm not gonna use a lip liner because we don't have all time for that. Okay, please excuse the application. I'm not going for like perfectly neat, but this is the color Empathy. I like this one. This one's a little bit more of like peachier nude, I would say. It's definitely kind of given me like, there's another color I have that's very similar to this. It's escaping me at the moment. It's one of the Lime Crime lipsticks that I showed. Eraser. It might be Eraser from Lime Crime. I feel like it looks very similar to this color, but yeah, I like this one. This is definitely like a matte finish formula, which definitely shows off a little bit more of the lines on my lips, but my lips are also very dry at the moment, so I do not fault the lipstick for that. All right, so that is the color Empathy. Okay, this one's looking pretty similar. This one is called Charmed. Definitely a little bit more of like a neutral one, like if I compare it to the last color. Okay, so this one is Empathy and this one is Charmed. More pinky toned. And let's see, we'll do swatches too on my hand just so I can refer to them back and forth. All right, this one is called Charmed. I think this one's definitely my favorite of the two so far. I like this one a lot. It's a lot more of like that pinkier kind of nude, which is very flattering for me. So another winner. Oh yeah, and let's swatch on the hand here. Okay, so that one is Empathy and this one is Charmed. This one is called Serene. Ooh, this one's darker. Yeah, this is probably one of the ones I might not have ordered because I feel like it looks a little bit different, but I did also purchase these at like 11 o'clock at night. So the best research and like judgment wise of my brain was probably not active at that time. But I mean, when there's like a $1.50 lipstick sale, you don't ask questions. Okay, this one's definitely a little bit on the darker side. I still think it's wearable for me, but it just feels a little out of my comfort zone, but not like something I feel like, oh, I'll never wear that type of color. It just feels a little bit darker than what I was expecting, but I actually still kind of like it. It is a little bit more what I would consider like a fall-y to wintry type of color because I really like the fun, bright colors in spring and summer, so. But actually it's not terrible. Okay, the next one is called Socialite. Ooh, okay, this one is lighter. This one's like, I think the lightest one I probably got. Okay, this is definitely one I feel like is definitely gonna be a one that I need to wear with like a lip liner to make it not look like crazy nude, but we're just going for it today. Oh my god, that one's so light. Oh my god. It feels so silly to like wear this without a lip liner, but I do like this color. Again, it's that lighter peachier kind of color. I've been forgetting to show these. So it's this one right here. Definitely a peachier kind of color. I do like it. It would be a good like mixing type of one. Like if you have a lipstick you just need a little bit lighter, just like do a really easy like little dab of this one and then blend it and like you'd be so good to go. The other thing is since that one is so kind of like more on the lighter pastel-y kind of side, I feel like it's harder to get those really even on the lips because it just looks like so light and so pastel. So that one I would really want to like have my lips super moisturized before I wear it. Okay, and then the last of the traditional lipsticks This one is called Cameo. Another dark one, another really dark one. Yeah, I think this one probably looked different, or maybe I just wasn't thinking. It looks about the same as Serene. It looks pretty similar to that one. It is ever so slightly more cool toned though, but so slight that you probably wouldn't even like ever notice the difference. I don't know, like if on my lips this one seems the darkest, but it feels the darkest right now. In hindsight, if I could like undo 2 of these lipsticks, it would be those 2 darkest ones, Serene and Cameo, just because I feel like I wouldn't wear these that much. But I'm not gonna lie, $1.50, it's not the end of the world. And I actually think my mom might like these colors, so I might give those to her. Okay, and then the last thing I got, I don't know if I realized this one was a liquid lipstick. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't care. I'm not a big fan of liquid lipsticks anymore, just because I don't know, I go in phases. Right now I'm just totally in like a traditional creamy lipstick type of mood, and you know, I'm sure the whole liquid lipstick will make its way back, but I just haven't been in it lately, so I don't know why I bought this one. This one's called Uptown, and this one totally, I feel like probably looks different than what I was expecting, because this is straight up purple. Straight up purple. Let's do a quick little swatch of this one. And not even just like purple, like dark purple, like dark. So I don't know, maybe I just was delirious when I ordered this, but let's give it a go. Okay, this is so dark. I don't know what I was thinking. I really feel like the color had to have been really different on the website. I'm gonna wipe this off though real quick because I'm just not feeling this lip color with this look, so we're gonna take this off. Definitely got a whole bunch of good things for like $1.50 a piece. You kind of can't be mad at it. So I might be passing 2 of those lipsticks along, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with this liquid lipstick. I don't know. It's just not my style. But we do need something back on this lip, so let's do Charmed. Alright, and that is everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.